Reit, dwi'n mynd I ddisgrifio person enwog o Gymru, iawn, enwog, famous. A rhaid I chi ddyfalu, gesio, ddyfalu pwy ydy'r person, iawn? So pwy ydy hwn? Bu farw, I daid, bu farw yn 147 oed, presumably because he had no access to ultra-processed foods. Roedd colomen yn ei ddilyn o gwmpas. Most people get followed by pigeons, but he got the holy upgrade, clearly. Mi wnaeth o wella person dall, free healthcare long before the NHS. Mi wnaeth o greu bryn allan o'n nunlle I helpu pobl I glywed o'n siarad. He could have just found a box, but no, it had to be extra. Roedd o'n teithio rownd Cymru gyfan, but avoided Wrexham. Clearly a man of taste. Doedd o ond yn yfed, dim ond, nothing but, right, dim ond yfed dŵr a bwyta like planhigion a herbs and stuff. The world's first vegan. Roedd o'n hoffi gwneud y pethau bychain. Basically, like the OG mindfulness guru. Okay? So pwy ydi hwnna? If you said Doctor Cymraeg, you'd be totally wrong, although I'd be flattered. Na, ro'n i'n siarad am Dewi Sant wrth gwrs. Felly, Dydd Gŵyl Ddewi hapus. Neu, Dydd Gŵyl Ddewi hapus, if you're a fan of the vocative case, which, let's be honest, there's only about 3 people who are, and they're all in the comments right now explaining why. Dydd Gŵyl Ddewi hapus.